Some watches are built for boardrooms, and some are built for battle. The Amazfit T-Rex 3 Pro is built for both. This is the rugged smartwatch that refuses to sit quietly in a world of delicate designs and fragile screens. It's bold, it's brutal, and it's bringing upgrades so serious that even Garmin users are starting to pay attention. Because this is the biggest evolution the T-Rex lineup has seen in years. A design that's tougher, brighter, smarter, and somehow even more extreme. So yeah, the leaks are real, the hype is realer, and if everything we've seen so far checks out, the Amazfit T-Rex 3 Pro could easily be the best adventure smartwatch of 2025. Let's talk about why. Music fades to subtle tech ambience. Every generation of the T-Rex lineup has had one goal: durability without compromise. From the original T-Rex to the T-Rex Ultra, Amazfit's formula was simple: military-grade toughness, crazy battery life, and a price tag that doesn't make you cry. But now, Amazfit is going premium. The T-Rex 3 Pro isn't just about surviving, it's about thriving. It's built to look like it could take a punch, but also sit confidently under a tuxedo cuff. And the best part? It's not just for athletes or hikers anymore. This thing wants to compete with Garmin's Fenix series, the Apple Watch Ultra, and the Sunto Vertical, all while keeping that signature Amazfit balance of performance and practicality. Quick whoosh transition sound. Let's start with what you'll notice first: the design. At first glance, yeah, it looks like the T-Rex 3. Same muscular frame, same industrial screws on the bezel, same tactical aesthetic. But look closer, and the story changes. There are now two case sizes: a large 48mm model and a slightly smaller 44mm version. That's huge for people who love rugged watches but hate the wrist bulk. Both come in bold finishes like tactical black, Arctic gold, and black gold, names that sound like military call signs more than color options. But that's the point. This thing isn't made to blend in. It's made to command attention. And this time, the materials got serious upgrades too. The buttons are now crafted from titanium alloy, lighter than steel, stronger than aluminum, and resistant to corrosion. Every press feels tactile, solid, satisfying, like the click of a mechanical switch. Even the surface protection's been leveled up. Instead of Gorilla Glass, the display now wears sapphire crystal armor, giving it that premium, scratch-resistant clarity that belongs on $1,000 watches. It's built like it wants to go through walls and still shine afterward. Now let's talk about that display, because this is one of the biggest upgrades Amazfit has ever made. The T-Rex 3 Pro comes with a 3000 nit AMOLED display. That's insane. For context, most smartwatches hover around 1000 to 1500 nits of brightness. Even the Apple Watch Ultra 2 peaks around 3000. So Amazfit is basically saying, yeah, we can play in that league now. Outdoors? No problem. Direct sunlight on a snowy mountain? Still visible. Underwater during a dive? That screen still glows like a beacon. Pair that brightness with sapphire protection and Amazfit's vibrant color tuning, and you've got a watch face that's not just readable, it's radiant. And here's the cool part. This display doesn't just look good. It feels premium. Smooth scrolling, fast response, and an ambient brightness adjustment that finally works naturally. It's like your wrist has its own adaptive vision system. Speaking of underwater, yeah, let's go there. Because this time, the T-Rex 3 Pro isn't just splash-resistant or swim-ready. It's dive-certified. Amazfit's giving it 10 ATM water resistance, and they've officially certified it for both scuba diving and free diving. That's up to 100 meters underwater. You can literally track your dives, your depth, your oxygen exposure, all from your wrist. This isn't just a watch for trail runners anymore. It's for divers, surfers, and adventurers who live where the land ends and the ocean begins. And that's the kind of upgrade people have been begging for. Sound of metal clicking, faint waves in background. But what's really getting everyone talking is the feature that nobody saw coming: the built-in flashlight. Yeah, you heard that right. There's now a dual-color LED flashlight built directly into the watch. No gimmick, no add-on. It's an actual, usable flashlight that throws enough light to guide you through a dark trail, a tent, or even your midnight fridge raid. It can shine bright white or switch to red mode for tactical night visibility, perfect for hiking, camping, or stargazing without blinding yourself. Garmin fans have been flexing their flashlight feature for a while now. Well, consider this Amazfit's official flex back. And it doesn't stop there. The T-Rex 3 Pro now comes with a microphone and speaker, which means Bluetooth calling straight from your wrist. No more fumbling for your phone mid-run. You can answer calls, talk directly through the watch, and even control your music with voice prompts. It's such a small feature, but it changes how you use the device every day. Because rugged doesn't have to mean disconnected anymore. Navigación upgraded. Now you're looking at dual-band GPS with route planning support and offline navigation. It's fast, accurate, and reliable, especially in dense environments like cities or mountains. This dual-frequency system can lock onto satellites quicker and stay stable longer. So when you're exploring off-grid, your watch stays locked, even when your phone can't. And then we have over 180 sports modes. Yeah, 180. Everything from your standard running and cycling to martial arts, yoga, skiing, rowing, hiking, swimming, golf, and even esports training. If it moves, the T-Rex 3 Pro tracks it. Now, Amazfit's secret sauce has always been in its sensors, and the T-Rex 3 Pro is taking that to another level with its BioTracker 6.0 sensor array. This is Amazfit's most advanced biometric tracking platform yet, capable of measuring heart rate, SpO2, stress, sleep cycles, recovery metrics, and even skin temperature. And then there's the new BioCharge feature, a metric that combines all those readings to estimate your daily energy level, sort of like Garmin's body battery or Fitbit's readiness score. It's Amazfit's way of telling you, hey, maybe don't go hiking today, your body's running on fumes. It's not just fitness tracking, it's recovery awareness. And that's what separates a good smartwatch from a smart one. Battery life, the one thing Amazfit always gets right. And thankfully, that tradition continues. The 48mm version is expected to last up to 25 days of normal use, while the 44mm gets around 19 days. And that's with all the new sensors, GPS, flashlight, and calling features turned on. To put that into perspective, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 barely lasts 2 days. Garmin Fenix 7? About 15 to 20 days depending on use. So yeah, Amazfit is not just competing, it's over-delivering. And when you do need a recharge, the T-Rex 3 Pro supports fast magnetic charging, giving you a full day's worth of power in under 20 minutes. So you'll spend more time adventuring and less time charging. Under the hood, this thing runs on Zepp OS 4.0, Amazfit's latest operating system. And this time, it feels mature. Zepp OS used to feel light, a little too minimal, missing some polish. But version 4.0, it's smoother, faster, and smarter. Menus glide. Animations pop. There's even better app support, improved notifications, and expanded widgets for health and sports. And get this, the T-Rex 3 Pro packs a whopping 26 gigabytes of storage. That means you can download maps, music, podcasts, and still have room left over. Offline everything. No phone required. Now, the question everyone's asking, how much? A leaked UK listing put the T-Rex 3 Pro at £399, which roughly translates to $399 in the US. That's squarely in Garmin territory, but still well below the Apple Watch Ultra or Suunto's premium lineup. And honestly, that's what makes it dangerous. Because this isn't some cheap wannabe rugged watch anymore. This is a fully loaded, titanium-armored, sapphire glass, flashlight-equipped powerhouse. For under $400. That's wild. So let's put this all together. What's new compared to the T-Rex 3? A brighter 3000 nits sapphire AMOLED display. Titanium alloy buttons. Dive certification up to 10 ATM. Dual-color LED flashlight. Microphone and speaker for calls. BioTracker 6.0 sensors. New BioCharge feature. 26 gigabytes storage. And still that signature 25-day battery life. The design might look familiar, but under the hood, it's a completely different animal. This is Amazfit taking the T-Rex name literally, evolving the beast into something tougher, and they've carved their own lane. They're not chasing luxury. They're chasing longevity. They're not obsessed with looking sleek. They're obsessed with surviving the extremes. And the T-Rex 3 Pro? It's the embodiment of that philosophy. A smartwatch for people who hike mountains, dive oceans, and still need a calendar reminder for their next meeting. Imagine this. You're deep in the forest. No light, no sound but your breath. You tap your wrist, and a white beam cuts through the dark. Your flashlight's built right into your watch. Moments like that make tech feel magical. And that's what the T-Rex 3 Pro nails perfectly. It's not just another gadget. It's an extension of your adventure. Now, let's be real, it's not perfect. The design is still chunky for smaller wrists. Zepp OS, while better, still can't match the app ecosystem of Wear OS or Watch OS. And that $399 price tag means Amazfit's confidence is showing. But honestly, that's what makes this moment exciting. For years, Amazfit was the underdog. Great specs, good price, rough polish. Now, it feels like they're ready to go toe-to-toe with the big players. And that, my friends, changes everything. So what does this all mean? It means Amazfit isn't afraid to evolve. It means the rugged smartwatch market finally has a serious new contender. And it means that if you're an adventurer, athlete, or just someone who wants a watch that could survive your life, you finally have options that look good doing it. Music swells slightly. Because here's the truth. Technology doesn't have to be fragile to be smart. And Amazfit just proved that with the T-Rex 3 Pro. It's rugged elegance. It's toughness with taste. It's everything we wanted from the T-Rex 3 and more. So, whether you're climbing cliffs, diving reefs, or just trying to outlast your notifications, this might just be the smartwatch that does it all. So what do you think? Would you drop $399 for a titanium-built, flashlight-equipped, dive-ready smartwatch? Would you ditch your Garmin or Apple Watch for this beast? Let me know down below, back-end index pointing down. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of Amazfit's newest tech, hit that like button, subscribe for more breakdowns, and join the adventure. Because the Amazfit T-Rex 3 Pro isn't just another upgrade. It's evolution on your wrist. All right, picture this. You're standing at the edge of a rocky cliff. The sun's blazing, dust in the air, and on your wrist, a watch that doesn't just survive the chaos, it thrives in it. This is the Amazfit T-Rex 3 Pro, and it might just be the most rugged, intelligent, and downright badass smartwatch Amazfit has ever made. It's not just another upgrade. This is Amazfit going toe-to-toe with Garmin, challenging the Apple Watch Ultra, and flexing some serious muscle in the outdoor smartwatch game. But here's the question. Is it really worth the hype? Because if the leaks, specs, and early details are true, the T-Rex 3 Pro might finally be the moment Amazfit becomes unstoppable. Movie camera, cut TO, cinematic close-up of the watch turning in light. Let's get straight into it. No fluff, no filler, because this one's got people talking. The Amazfit T-Rex series has always been about brute strength. You know, that chunky, tactical, I can survive a zombie apocalypse kind of build. But the T-Rex 3 Pro, that's where things get interesting. Because now it's not just tough, it's refined. And this time, Amazfit isn't playing safe. They've loaded this watch with some seriously powerful upgrades. Stuff we usually only see in $800 Garmin monsters or premium Sunto dive watches. Microphone section, design evolution. Let's talk about the design first. The T-Rex 3 Pro doesn't try to reinvent the wheel. It's still rugged, bold, and unapologetically masculine. But look closer, and you'll see that everything's been sharpened, cleaned up, and made just a bit more premium. You're getting two sizes this time, a big, aggressive 48mm for those who like presence, and a 44mm option for people who want that same outdoor durability in a slightly more wearable form. And can we take a second to appreciate the finish options? Tactical black for that stealthy, military vibe. Arctic gold, which just screams adventure with style. And black gold, the one that looks like it belongs on a billionaire explorer's wrist. Movie camera, cut TO, macro shots of metal buttons, case angles, bezel details. The buttons are now made of titanium alloy, and honestly, this might be one of the most underrated upgrades. Titanium means lighter weight, higher strength, and a more premium tactile feel. You know that click when you press a proper metal button? Yeah, that's the good stuff. The rest of the body stays true to the T-Rex DNA, angular, muscular, and adventure-ready. But Amazfit added polish, literally. The transitions between materials, the subtle curve of the lugs, and the way it sits on the wrist, it all screams confidence. Microphone section, display, and durability. Now, let's talk display, because this is where Amazfit has gone next level. The T-Rex 3 Pro features a 3000 nit AMOLED panel. That's brighter than some flagship phones. To put that in perspective, most smartwatch displays peak at around 1000 nits. That means under harsh sunlight, when you're out trekking, climbing, or diving, you can still clearly see your stats, maps, or notifications without squinting. And it's not just bright, it's protected. Instead of Gorilla Glass, Amazfit has gone full premium with sapphire crystal. That's right, the same scratch-resistant material used in high-end luxury watches. So yeah, this thing isn't just tough. It's practically bulletproof for everyday use. Microphone section, the flashlight feature. But let's talk about something that's got everyone buzzing, that built-in flashlight. Garmin users have been bragging about their integrated LED torch for months, and now Amazfit finally said, all right, let's do it, but better. The T-Rex 3 Pro features a dual-color LED flashlight, white and red, built right into the watch body. Sounds like a gimmick until you realize how insanely useful it is. Camping at night? Boom, instant light. Night runs? Red mode won't blind your friends or ruin your night vision. Lost your keys? Don't reach for your phone. Your wrist has got you covered. It's one of those features that doesn't seem important until you have it. And then you wonder how you ever lived without it.